I'm Watley. I'm the founder of Emergency Packout Co. out of California, and I'm a member, longstanding member of the RIA. Well, RIA to me represents a direct connection to the pulse of the industry. Without it, I wouldn't know what the hell is actually going on. What are the pressure points? Where are we nudging our carrier partners in one direction or the other? It's that centralized voice. Without it, you've got a completely fragmented industry. And prior to my involvement in the RIA, I felt like I was all alone. I was punching in the dark. I didn't really know what the hot button issues were. I didn't understand what would be reasonable and customary to invoice for things like, when is O&P warranted or otherwise. It's been having this community, attending the events, attending the breakout sessions, the regional sessions, the position papers that have guided my thinking, my behavior as a leader, and really the estimatics of my team downstream in our collaboration with our carrier partners. So beyond the ethereal things that I just mentioned of having a finger on the pulse of the industry, knowing what's reasonable and customary, being part of the rising tide that would ultimately raise all boats. Jeff Moore brought this idea forward and helps paint that picture. That is a bit ethereal. If somebody was on the fence about why you would join the RA, I think it just gets down to the affinity program. Like with the affinity buying program, whatever I'm paying in to the RIA, the affinity program is delivering 5x what it cost me to be a member. So there are things and places I'm buying from, like Sunbelt Rentals, etc. Just straight away, Sunbelt's discount already exceeds whatever the cost is to participate as a member. So if somebody's on the fence, I think it's straightforward. Like, this is the cost of your membership. This is stuff you're buying anyways, and now you can buy it for 20% less. Like, that just makes sense. It's basic mathematics.